What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Hydra Gamer here. And look, we're at a goddamn pep assembly. Look, I'm here with my boy Bobby.
I think you mean Nighthawk. And wait, Daniel, I'm not using YouTube. I'm using a regular camera.
What? Okay,
Oh,
anyway.
Just forget it.
Let's be quiet. Let's listen to the song right now. Name the verse or something?
Katy Perry is singing.
I have no idea.
Alright,
So
I'm
anyways,
gonna make a vlog of this.
Anyways, guys, it's really loud that you can't even hear me. Oh my God, man. All of these people are singing a song.
Yeah, but somehow they don't know much about it.
I really don't know what the fuck song is this.
It's basically some sort of competition of some sort.
Yeah, I know, right? I can't even tell them. By the way, Michael's over here. Look at him. Yeah. By the way, subscribe to Nighthawk's View. He does a lot of videos.
I don't know if they're good.
Wow, they just cut my fucking sentence. What the hell? So, anyways, guys, I hope y'all have a good trip. And it's Friday. I love this day. And thank God there's Monday off. And
Actually, that's a bad idea. I am not going to go live at all. I'm not going to even make a video.
okay, be quiet for a second, cause. Oh, Friends! The beat this way. Yeah, that's Friends.
It's a TV show.
Wow, they put Friends TV show. I used to watch that.
It's what?
Everybody used to watch everything, but now it's all superheroes and shit like that.
No, Bobby.
What the fuck?
No, Bobby.
That was the weird ass creepy stare, man. My fans are going to be so scared of you.
Bobby,
Hey, don't blame me, okay? Just don't blame me.
Yep. What the?
Okay, Milo's watching.
Now look at everybody in this room. Look at that. Everybody is goddamn screaming.
It is way too goddamn loud in here.
Oh! Come on in the street. Bob's
Oh,
what the hell?
That was the feedback of the microphone.
Yeah, I can't even stand this bitch.
Oh my God.
SpongeBob SquarePants, they popped that up. Oh, bitch.
Oh my God. This sort of. What?
What song are they going to put up next? Who is it about
that. Not that.
The hell is this? I can't even understand what these people are saying. I can't even understand it.
Well, neither can I.
By the way, watch the teacher might caught us videotaping. Wait, I need to do something real quick. I just want to listen to the. Ah!
Well, the juniors know it.
God, the juniors know it. I don't even understand what the song is.
That's the Art Carly theme song.
The hell is that?
I don't know. Some sort of show on Nickelodeon of some shit like that.
I don't watch Nickelodeon.
Oh, the last one.
By the way, sorry being quiet. It's just that. Sorry being quiet. It's just that. Well, oh shit.
Wow. I have no idea.
What is going on?
I don't know.
They're singing Bohemian Rhapsody by
Oh,
Queen.
that's the Josh building. That's it right there.
By the way, plus. Hey guys, just to tell you, subscribe to Nighthawk's View. He does videos, and I
Yeah. I do singing videos and reaction videos. Subscribe to my channel, Nighthawk's View.
Okay.
See ya around.
Okay. Anyways, get your creepy ass off the camera. So, anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna leave this until 2 minutes because I can't. This is going to be one of our memories.
Yeah, this is gonna be one of our memories. This will be a great memory of high school. Hydra and me, Nighthawk.
By the way, don't forget about him.
Hi.
Yeah. Don't forget about it.
I heard that.
Yeah, guys.
What?
Nothing. Nothing. We're just.
Oh, I know.
I don't even know what the hell.
Welcome our flag and drill team.
Flag drill team, let's go!
Now they're bringing in the flag and drill team. Let's see how this goes.
Yeah. Let's go. We're gonna watch this when we're 20 years old.
Actually, we'll watch it right after
This-
school.
this
I'll
part-
watch it right after school.
Yeah.
No, this
I'm
part's
sending
the
this to
good
video.
part.
I'm sending this to YouTube.
Yeah. Upload it. We are definitely uploading this. This is basically like vlog of high school.
What the fuck? Okay, that is extremely Illuminati shit, by the way. I don't make sense. But
I know it doesn't make sense. I'm just stupid like that. So don't mind me, folks. Okay, don't mind me.
okay, let me tell you why he acts like that. He's autistic, and don't blame.
And don't criticize me just because I'm autistic. Okay, don't
Oh.
criticize me.
Oh, let's go.
Here comes the flag team.
Oh, let's go.
Look at what the flag team is.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Hey,
What the fuck?
okay.
Yeah.
Wait, don't tell me why.
I don't know if this song is familiar to me.
Oh my god. Oh my. What the fuck?
I don't like this song.
Det där ska jag bara säga.
Anyways, Bobby's just over there looking.
Wait, what did you say? What did you say?
Oh, nothing. Nothing. I just didn't.
No, I'm not gonna be angry. I just want to know what you said. I'm not gonna be angry.
No, I just told them that you were looking at them.
Well, yeah, because they're all.
Look at the flag team. Look at the flag team. Look at that. Those.
Hold on, zoom in on me right now. I don't know if you guys know this, but I think drill team may be a good experience for those of you who are good at choreography.
That's true, Bobby.
What? That is
Okay, never mind about that. Never mind.
Oh.
What is on Daniel? Daniel, what is on?
Okay. Okay. I'm pretty sure that you people don't even know the music. What? Glorious.
Oh. This good one there. What the fuck? Oh God.
Look, if anybody knows the song, go down to the comments what this song is called, because I don't know the song.
Yeah, comment down below what the song is called, because we have no idea what the song is called. The song that's playing right now.
We don't listen to new generation music.
Yeah, actually, I'm the only one that listens to old generation music.
Wait, so do I. You're not the only one. Don't look at him stance like that. Look at that, man.
Yeah, that's a good finale pose.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Hey, I didn't say anything weird, okay?
Okay, don't creep me out, man.
Okay, now here comes the announcers for the pep assembly.
By the way, don't comment below about why he's wearing yellow paint around his. He's not Tom
It's
Brady, by the
basically-
way.
Of course I'm not Tom Brady. If I was Tom Brady, I would be wearing glasses. And I
Yeah.
wouldn't have purple hair.
Oh yeah. Plus different hair color. Oh, football team.
Get the football team out there with me. Let's go right behind you, right here.
Let's see what the football players of Birmingham